After 278 rejections, I realized something. My portfolio had the personality of a cement block, so I rebuilt it with actual storytelling. Let me show you how. Hi, this is Andre from Munditos. For years, I made the kind of portfolio every architect makes. Perfect renders, perfect diagrams. Basically, a beige sweater in PDF form. And then the job market said, cute, but no. Repeated 278 times. I didn't know it then, but my portfolio wasn't bad. It just wasn't me. It had no heart, no voice, no moment where someone could say, I get who this person actually is. So I started doing something unhinged for an architect. I let myself feel. Before drawing a single thing, I asked, what does this project feel like in my body? Scary, I know. Then I tried seeing the project activating my senses. I tilted the drawings and started looking at them through memory, through the shadows that move, through the quiet between the noises. I even allow myself to be human on the page. Messy notes, unstable lines, because people connect with people, and if you show what you love doing, they will feel that too. And I showed process, not the cute curated process. So show how you got there, not just where you ended up. That's your personal mark. That's when I realized architecture has emotions, and if we don't mention them, we're basically designing glorified boxes. Tell how you think, how you adapt, how you make decisions, how you grow. I laid all my drawings on a table and watched how they naturally wanted to move. Like a choreography. Movement is storytelling, and your drawings should feel like they are breathing. And then the vibe kicked in. The atmosphere, the invisible stuff, the experiences. It's all about evoking memory. Suddenly, the project wasn't a project. It was a movie. I mix polished drawings with raw sketches. Contrast. Real architecture is made of tension. It feels wrong at first. In fact, that's the whole point. Once the chaos looked kind of intentional, I shaped the sequence. Not like a greed-obsessed robot, but like a filmmaker. And in the end, the biggest plot twist was this. The portfolio wasn't just telling the story of the project. It was telling my story. My way of thinking, my rhythm, my way of seeing the world. If you want to build a portfolio that actually sounds like you and doesn't look like a default template from 2012, I wrapped this entire storytelling method into the Storytelling Portfolio package. A handbook, worksheets, and a cheat sheet, the whole thing. Grab it below, and please give your portfolio a pulse. Thank you for being here. Don't be a stranger. Say hi in the comments.